Do you want to turn your website into a money-making machine in 2024? Then you're in the right place. Today we're going to explore the thrilling world of website monetization. Now, you might be wondering, what is website monetization? Simply put, it's the process of earning revenue through your website. And in 2024, the potential revenue streams are more diverse and exciting than ever before. We're talking display ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, membership subscriptions, and selling digital products or services. Each of these strategies has its own benefits, and together they can transform your website into a powerhouse of revenue. But website monetization isn't just about making money, it's about providing value to your audience, building a community, and creating something you can be proud of. So, ready to get started? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to monetizing your website effectively. The first step in monetizing your website is choosing the right niche. This is the foundation upon which your website's financial success is built. Your chosen niche should align with your audience's interests and hold potential for monetization. It's the sweet spot where your passion meets profit. For instance, the health and wellness industry is burgeoning with opportunities. From fitness coaching to selling health products, the possibilities are endless. Or consider the tech industry. With the rise of AI, machine learning, and automation, it's a hotbed of monetization potential. Similarly, the personal finance sector is always in demand. People are constantly seeking advice on budgeting, investing, and saving money. But remember, the key is to choose a niche that resonates with you and your audience. It's about striking a balance between your interests and what's profitable. After all, if you're passionate about what you do, it won't feel like work. Remember, your niche will largely determine your website's earning potential. Content is king. So let's talk about how to create content that both attracts and retains visitors. When we speak of content, we're talking about anything you create to communicate with your audience. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, or even social media updates. But here's the catch. It has to be high quality and valuable. High quality content doesn't just mean well written or well produced. It means content that is relevant, useful, and engaging to your audience. It's what keeps your visitors coming back for more. So, how do you create this kind of content? Firstly, understand your audience. What are their needs, interests, and pain points? Secondly, provide solutions to their problems or answers to their questions. This could be in the form of how-to guides, tips and tricks, or insightful analysis. Lastly, make your content shareable. Include compelling headlines, interesting visuals, and easy sharing options. With great content, you're already halfway to monetizing your website. Now that we have a niche and quality content, it's time to dive into the various ways to monetize your website. The first method that likely comes to mind is display ads. By partnering with ad networks, you can earn revenue each time a visitor views or clicks on an ad. It's a straightforward method, but remember, the key to maximizing your ad revenue is strategic placement. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies. When your visitors make a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The trick here is to choose products that align with your website's niche and provide value to your audience. Now, let's talk about sponsored content. This is when a company pays you to create content that promotes their brand or product. This could be a blog post, a video, or even a social media update. The key to success with sponsored content is to maintain your authenticity and only partner with brands that resonate with your audience. Another powerful monetization strategy is membership subscriptions. This involves offering premium content or services to your visitors for a monthly or annual fee. The beauty of this model is that it provides a steady stream of income and helps to build a loyal community around your website. Lastly, selling digital products or services can be a lucrative strategy. This could be anything from an ebook or online course to consulting services. The key here is to create a product or service that solves a problem for your audience. But remember, the most successful websites typically don't rely on a single monetization method. Instead, they diversify their income streams to maximize their earning potential. This not only increases revenue but also protects against fluctuations in any one source of income. Each of these strategies has its own benefits, and finding the right mix for your website is key. Experiment, test, and tweak until you find the combination that works best for you. Remember, monetization is not a one-size-fits-all process. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. So let's get started. Monetizing your website isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. You need to track, analyze, and optimize. Imagine you're a ship captain setting sail on the vast ocean of website monetization. Your website is your ship, and your audience, the wind in your sails. But without a compass, how do you navigate? That's where analytics come in. They are your compass, your guiding star, showing you if you're on course or if you need to adjust your sails. Analytics help you understand who your visitors are, where they come from, which content they engage with, and much more. This data is vital. It tells you what's working and what's not, allowing you to make informed decisions about your monetization strategies. For instance, if you notice that a particular blog post is attracting a lot of traffic, you might want to consider adding more display ads to that page, or perhaps promoting a relevant affiliate product. Conversely, if a page isn't performing well, it might be time to revisit the content or rethink its SEO strategy. Google Analytics is a great tool for this. It's free, comprehensive, and widely used. But don't limit yourself. There are plenty of other analytics tools out there that can provide useful insights. Experiment with different tools and find what works best for you. But remember, data is only as good as what you do with it. It's not enough to just collect data. You need to analyze it and then optimize your website and monetization strategies accordingly. This is a continuous process. The internet is ever evolving, and so are your audience's tastes and behaviors. Keep an eye on your analytics and be ready to adapt. You might be wondering, how often should I check my analytics? Well, there's no hard and fast rule. Some experts recommend checking it daily, others weekly. The key is consistency. Make it a habit, and over time, you'll start to see patterns and trends that will guide your decisions. In the end, it's all about understanding your audience. The better you know them, the better you can cater to their interests. And in turn, the more successful your monetization efforts will be. Remember, the more you understand your audience and how they interact with your website, the better you can monetize it. In the world of website monetization, staying updated is crucial. You see, this landscape is ever evolving, with new strategies, technologies, and trends emerging constantly. It's like a game of chess where the rules can change overnight. And the only way to stay ahead of the game is to keep your finger on the pulse of the industry. So how do you do that? Well, for starters, make it a habit to read industry blogs and publications. Sites like TechCrunch, Mashable, and Entrepreneur are great places to start. They offer a wealth of information on the latest trends and best practices in the digital monetization space. Participating in online forums and discussion groups can also be beneficial. These platforms allow you to engage with other website owners, share experiences, and learn from the collective wisdom of the community. And let's not forget about webinars, podcasts, and online courses. They offer deeper insights and practical tips that you can apply directly to your own website. Staying informed about the latest trends will help you stay ahead of the competition and maximize your earnings. We've covered a lot today, so let's quickly recap. We started by understanding the importance of website monetization in this digital era. It's not just about creating an online presence, but transforming that presence into a powerhouse of revenue. We then moved on to discuss the significance of choosing the right niche. Remember, it should not only align with your passion, but also hold potential for monetization. It's about finding the perfect intersection of your interests, market demand, and monetization opportunities. From there, we delved into the world of content creation. We emphasized the need for high-quality, engaging, and shareable content. After all, content is king, and it's your ticket to attracting and retaining visitors on your website. Next up was diversifying monetization strategies. We explored a plethora of methods, from display ads and affiliate marketing to sponsored content, membership subscriptions, and selling digital products. The key here is not to put all your eggs in one basket, but to diversify and maximize your revenue streams. We also discussed the pivotal role of SEO in driving organic traffic to your website. Remember, a well-optimized website is like a magnet, attracting visitors from search engines and keeping them engaged with user-friendly design and mobile optimization. Our discussion further led us to the importance of tracking website performance with analytics. It's essential to keep an eye on what's working and what's not, and optimize your strategies accordingly. Data is your compass in the vast ocean of website monetization. Lastly, we stressed the need to stay updated with industry trends. The digital world is ever evolving, and staying informed is your key to staying ahead. Now it's time to take action and turn your website into a money-making machine in 2024. Remember, the journey to website monetization is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, be patient, and you'll see results.